Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title of the video, we are talking nails. Okay, so this is a different video for me. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because today I'm going to share with you all my secrets on how to grow your nails and how to have real long nails, and I'll show them to you up close. Yes, these are all my nails and they are 100% real, and I love my nails and I am a nail junkie. Okay, in saying that, I have a few secrets on how to grow your nails and how do you keep your nails very, very strong. Now, number one, I am not a nail professional. This is just my tips and tricks, so I want to share them with you guys because I get asked all the time, how do you keep your nails so strong? That is Puppy Love behind me. She's my little puppy and she's eating her food. Okay, so back to the nails. Okay, first things first, I'm not a nail tech. I'm not a professional nail technician. I do not wear gloves when I wash the dishes or scrub the toilets or any of that stuff. My hands are constantly in water. And in saying that, oh, and I also work on construction sites all the time, so I'm always moving stuff around and my nails still stay intact. Now, first things first. This little thing here, I will show it to you. It is Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nail Advanced Formula, and it's a multivitamin formula. And guys, I am not sponsored. I'm not that big of a YouTuber. So this is all my tips and tricks. So anything you see here, it's stuff that I use personally and that I buy and pay for myself. This is my number one thing. I take 2 of these a night just before I go to bed. They say to take multivitamins for better absorption at night, so that's when I take mine. Okay, tip number 2 is this thing here. This is an open one. And this is a closed one, so I will show both to you. I don't know, the lids are different, but there's no difference to them. Okay, this is called Witchcraft. That's the name of the company, and the one I use is the Rock Solid, the original. That is the best one. This, guys, is amazing. It's a nail hardener. This thing, I swear by, I've been using it for years and years and years. I buy this at Walmart because that is the cheapest place to buy it. My number 2 is this little gem right here. Here's this is the one that I'm using, and this is a brand new in a box. This is called Sesh Beat. The company is called Sesh Beat, and this is a fast dry top coat. This thing is amazing. This is a lifesaver, and I will show you. Okay, so this I swear by. Now this you could buy at TJ Maxx. You could also buy it at Ulta, and you could buy it at a store in Canada called Trade Secrets. They sell it also, and it's really expensive there. I get them at TJ Maxx or Winners when I find them, and they're really, really cheap, and I just hoard them. When I see them, I hoard them because they're really, really good, and they run usually about $6.99 at TJ Maxx, and whatever. Okay, and another thing you need is this here. This is a crystal nail file. Now, Walmart has them, CVS, whatever you guys have near you. We have Shoppers Drug Mart here in Canada. They have them, and Walmart has them also. So a crystal nail file, you need this. This is a must. I'm gonna show you what else you need to have really good nails. And if you can see beside me here is my box of nails. I will show you that in a second. Okay, you need one of these. It is an angled cuticle cutter. The better quality name brand, the better. And this is for your cuticles, but I'll show you that in a minute. This is a must. For good nails, this is a must. And what else do I use on my nails? Actually, just a regular file also. I buy like regular emery board files. I like the medium grade, the medium grip on them, but I buy cute ones. This one's from Christmas still. It's got like little snowflakes on it. And yeah, that's it. Okay, And and then two more tricks that I use. I'll show them to you. Okay. This here is the Pro FX Apricot Cuticle Oil. This is a must. Now, if you can't find this one, you may be able to find this one. This one I keep in my purse, and that's why it's so little. It's the CND Solar Oil, and I think the company is called Essentials, and it's nail and cuticle conditioner. This, there you go, I'll show it to you. There it is. It's not focusing, sorry guys. Okay, so I am gonna pan down and I will show you the tricks. See, these are my 100% my real nails. So I just wanna show you how I start. So first off, I get really good nail polish remover and I remove them with a natural cotton pad. So I've already done that for the video purposes, so I've removed everything, okay? This is what I do. I hold, okay, here, let's see if this will work better. I hold my hand like this. And what I do is, why I do this is I hold my hand like this so that I have my nail, the edge of my nail facing me. And then I take my crystal, this is working, my crystal nail file, and I file in one direction only. And the reason why this is good is because you don't want to tear your nail. Like if you go back and forth, you actually tear the tip of your nail, which makes them weaker. So I file only in one direction, and then I shape my nails in which way I want. I like my nails in a, like a square ovalish kind of way. So that's how I do my nails. So there. So now I've already taken my time and I filed my nails. And if there's like big snags, oh, another tip I'm gonna give you guys. So I file the tops first, but the sides, I try not to file the sides too much. I just lightly clean them off, like just lightly. So I lightly clean them off, not too much. Now I know some girls like the coffin shape, and I love that shape. I think that shape is amazing, but unfortunately for natural nails, it weakens them. If you file too much the sides, it actually does weaken them. So I don't do too much. I just clean it off a bit, and yeah, that's it. And usually for that, I'll use one of these emery boards because it's a lighter grip and it's softer on the nail. So that's what I'll do. So I shape them. Okay, step number 1, rock solid. I'm telling you guys, this witchcraft thing is a lifesaver. Like my nails are rock hard, and this makes them even harder. So rock solid is my favorite thing to use. What I do is I get a generous amount, and I'll show you right here. So for filming purposes, I think you can see, right? I put a generous amount, and I cover my entire nail. And then, okay, so let me show you on this one. So I put a really big generous amount, and I cover my entire nail. And sometimes I need to I like to have a thick film. I don't know why, that's the way I do it. And then I take it and I run it right here, right just on the edge of the tip of my nail. Did you see that? So let's say that's the nail. I just run it on the tip, right here. I don't know why, but that just holds everything in. Like it just holds the strength of it in. Okay, so then obviously I do this to all my fingers. Okay guys, so then I get my nail boxes out, and I have 3. I color coordinate my nail. This is how I store my nail polishes, so you can see them. So these ones are summer and lights. You can see there, summer and light colors. So I'm not gonna do that right now because that's winter and I don't want a light color. Then I have my reds. You can see there, reds and burgundies, I guess, and just, I don't know. I'm thinking one of these colors maybe. And then in this box, I have all my darks, and I do have some burgundy in here too. So they're like blacks and taupes and grays. and winter colors. So for this video purpose, I'm just gonna do a dark gray. So I like to buy OPI, and I also like to buy Essie colors. So these are my two favorite brands. These are the two brands that I buy the most, and I always buy these at TJ Maxx because they're like half the price. These are only $6.99, and any other store I find them, they're like, I think they're about $12 now, these here in Canada. So for the video purpose, I'm gonna use this color here, and I'll tell you the name of it. It's called Susie and the Arctic Fox. So I think that was really cute. And that's how I store my nail polishes. So I've done the first layer, a very thick layer of the base coat, and obviously someone's talking while I'm trying to make this video. So anyway, so I do a really thick layer of the base coat, and then I put the base coat on, and then I use this cuticle cutter, and I see if I have any like jagged cuticles, and I do actually. So I just lightly pick it off just before I paint. I know a lot of people don't do it this way, but I do. I like to cut these off as I go. So I cut my little cuticles off, especially on the sides. I don't like the sides showing up, like having jagged cuticles. And then I just put two coats. I put 2 coats of polish. So just for video purposes, I'll start, and then you can see. So I'm really good at painting my nails, actually. I have many years of practice, obviously. I have been obsessed with my nails for years and years. As a teenager, I would change my nail polish color every day, almost every day, to coordinate with one of my outfits. But now I don't do that anymore. I usually keep my nail polish on for about a week, maybe less, maybe 5 days. I do like to change my nail polish color around, so I would say 5 days. I keep it on for about 5 days, and I will show you the trick why I can keep them on without chipping, without anything, while washing dishes, scrubbing pots, toilets, mopping floors, working, and so on and so forth. Okay, so here's a little trick that I have. When you paint your nails, don't paint all the way down to the cuticle. Like, leave a little space, because then it looks like a salon job more. See how I leave a tiny space there? I always leave that tiny space. I don't know why, I just think it looks really good, and it reminds me of the salon. So yeah, so I just paint my nails. Let me put this down so I can paint it properly. So I do 2 coats. Okay, girls, so I did 2 coats of the color. There, you can see it there. And it's still wet, so I'm not gonna touch it yet. But here is my other trick. So I get my Seche V, the one I was showing you earlier. Now, my nail, I just finished painting them, so there's 2 coats on this, okay, of the OPI. And what I do is, my nails are, I would say they're still wet. So, and this is why I use this stuff, because no one really has time to waste waiting for their nails to dry. So let me show you this. I put a huge, generous amount of this stuff on my nails. Like a big glob of it. I kind of put a big layer, and I'll show you why. Okay, so I am just doing this real quick. I'm trying to do this as quick as possible so this video is not too long, which I'm sure this video is going to be quite long anyways. So, okay, there you go. So done. So that hand is done. I let it dry a little. You know, you can feel it. It looks like, it always looks this thick and wet. And I have been asked if I wear gel nails, and I don't. Okay, so real time. Okay, girls, so you just saw me do this. It is almost dry to the touch. If you smudge it, like see how I smudged it? Oh, it's not gonna focus. Okay, I touched it a little too early, so I kind of smudged it. So if you do have a little smudge like that, just go over and smooth it out, and it's fine. It's done. It's perfect. It's perfect. This thing, guys, is amazing. I'm telling you, this is my nail secret. By the time I do, usually by the time I do the other hand, the first finger is dry. This dries so quick, and it leaves this like thick, like shiny polish. Like you can, I don't know if the camera's picking up. I mean, these are just done, and this has the sesh bead on top. But I've been asked many times if my nails are fake, and they are not. So after I'm done that, I just take my beautiful cuticle oil here, and I just put it around my cuticles, massage it in, and it's done. Okay, girls, so my nails are done. And as you can tell, I did the second hand. And as you can tell, it is dry to the touch. And I think they look fantastic. So that is the end of my video. I hope these tips were useful to you guys. I hope you got something from it. And I hope you can all grow your nails naturally long. It's really good. I am really obsessed with my nails. I have been for years and years and years. But these are tips and tricks that I found. First, the vitamins. Vitamins are very good for you. Anyways, the amazing base coat, I swear by Witchcraft Company, the Rock Solid, I swear by it. I like any nail polishes. I like all nail polishes, really. But my two favorites are SE and OPI. And then that top coat, guys, it makes your nails look like salon quality nails. Really, I get asked all the time who does my nails and where I get them done. And I do them at home, in my kitchen, or my living room, usually while I'm watching TV. So that is the end of the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Like and share, comment. I love to hear your comments, and I always answer your comments. And if you're new to my channel and you like this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So anyways, I wish you all the best. Bye, YouTube.